Hey guys, Operation RV back here again with another video. I know it's been a long awaited video due, but we're here in Texas and it's end of summer, still hot in the 90s, and we were having trouble cooling the inside of our RV. So currently I'm up top on my roof here. This is my second AC unit. Right over there is my main cabin. This one having issues getting the appropriate temperature. So I've already checked the coils on this side, cleaned it out. This is the outside part that actually is not covered by the actual cap here that I lifted off. So in here, as you can see, is the evaporator coil, and that's pretty nasty. So that's why there's no cool air that's actually coming through here and being able to come up through the cabin through here, because it's that nasty. So yeah, what I've actually done is I went out and did some research, and I picked up this stuff called 3X Chemistry Coil Clean for RVs. And what's nice is it's deep cleaning, foaming action. It penetrates quickly, removes any type of organic dirt, lint, and soil. And it's for condenser fans also, or condenser coils and fins as well. So that's what's about to happen. Directions say just spray it roughly 10 minutes away, or 10 inches away. Let it penetrate for about 5 minutes, and there's no rinsing. What it says here in the directions is that the condensation, once it's started up, is actually going to allow all the dirt and everything to run out. So here we go, guys. That's some nasty stuff. Get all nice in there and good. Look at that. That's pretty gross. But that's what it looks like. What I'm going to go ahead and do, since I already have this other side open, is I'm going to go ahead and squirt some on this other side. Sorry for the video. One-handed job on top of a roof. Alright. Some more action going on. There's the missus. She loves being on camera. All right. And see if I can put it down here on the back side. Come over here. Give it another go. Yeah, that's gross. So hopefully that'll work. Anyways, guys, this is my DIY tutorial on how to clean your RV condenser evaporator coil and fins. Stay tuned, guys. All right, bye.